Let's explore the time in and time out feature for library users in the BPS LMS. This feature streamlines the attendance tracking of students, faculty, and staff. To time in, users simply tap their RFID card. This applies to students, faculty, and staff. If the RFID is not working, alternative options are available. Students can manually enter their LRN or learner's reference number, while faculty and staff can enter their employee number. Need to use a computer? Just scan your RFID, and the system logs your usage time for easy monitoring. For visitors without RFID, access is easy through the visitor form. They simply provide their email, first name, middle name, last name, suffix, purpose, gender, and school/organization, ensuring a seamless and secure library entry. And that's how the time in and time out system works for library users. Thank you for watching.